Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're doing great. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to restore deleted notes in Google Keep in 2026. If you accidentally delete an important note, don't worry. Google Keep allows you to recover deleted notes from the trash section very easily, so let's get started. First, open Google Keep in your web browser. If a note has been deleted, it will move to the trash section instead of being removed immediately. Click Trash from the left sidebar. Here you'll see all the notes that have been deleted recently. Now open the note you want to restore. At the top of the note, click the Restore icon. As soon as you click Restore, the note will be moved back to your main Notes page. Now return to the Notes section, and you'll see that the deleted note has been restored successfully. You can also use the search bar at the top to quickly find the restored note by typing a keyword from the note. This feature is very useful if you accidentally delete study notes, work notes, reminders, or any important information. That's how to restore deleted notes in Google Keep in 2026. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more useful Google tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.